What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see what we got going on today, man. Slow motion day, general day, but mainly to test this two-step out in real world, like test it out. Cause I ain't been out. I've been wanting to test it, but I ain't finna test it in the driveway clearly, and I want to get some outside footage of it while testing, see how it hold. Cause I'm gonna do a light burnout on the folds, get the tires a little hot, get a little heat in them, and then I'm gonna let it rip. Cause we taking in there to the track tomorrow. But I'm gonna pull up on Jesse, man, cause Jesse can be the cameraman, get the footage, and then I gotta help him out with some stuff anyway. So y'all know we got R&B out. I'm about to give y'all the cold start. Warming that up. Let's see. So gotta get warm, man. Probably gonna have to put some gas. Nah, that actually gonna work out perfect, y'all. Cause I don't want no gas in when I go to the track tomorrow. I'm gonna put some racing gas in them. Put a few gallons of racing gas in them. I plan on taking R&B and Dolo. Copyright. Can't get no copyright. Yes, indeed. And y'all know I got this, the Dragon. So we're gonna make a shakedown. So I wanna see what the thing run like before tomorrow. I wish we had time to put that other tank in, man. We'd have been in the game. She's ready now. She's warming on up. She's warming on up. Getting ready. Yeah, we're gonna take this thing to the track tomorrow, y'all. Then for the first time, we're gonna run it on the slick. I'm gonna run on the 24 and we're gonna run on the slick. Same thing with Dolo, man. I'm gonna take Dolo on 26 and running on the slick too. So yes, indeed. At least that's the plan, y'all. So we ready to roll. I'm gonna go pull up on Jesse and we're gonna see what to. All right, y'all see it, man. I made it over here. Holler at my boy Jesse. I said I had to come through here and help him with something, man. Gonna see if he can be my cameraman right quick. Record this two-step launch so we can see how it do on these wheels, man. I'm gonna get a little heat in the tire, cause y'all know in the driveway we were doing it cold, but I wasn't trying to really get on it, cause you know I ain't trying to mark up my driveway, obviously. So I'm finna get him out here, man. I'm probably gonna go right out here, see if I get a 60 foot hit, and see what it hit like. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we taking it in, man. So look, y'all seen I just tried the two-step. So getting the tires hot, it definitely worked, cause it stopped pushing the car. Y'all know at first it was pushing the car, man, but it was it just the tire went hot. So I put a little heat in them, the car cut off, man, cause I said it'll wheel hop. If you try to carry these marks out, the car here start wheel hopping, man. So you literally have to power brake it. Your power brake burn out, or you gotta be straight punching and then you in motion, cause it'll joker. You get them tires spinning, the power brake, and then try to carry it, man, that joker start wheel hopping. Then what it did, made the car shut off. So but it two-step, boy, it'll lunch, man, but it gonna feel good on the slick. It gonna feel good on the slick, man. It ain't gonna work on these wheels, cause it's a little too much. But I want to see two things. I want to see if it's gonna get traction, which it a little traction, which it didn't, and I want to see was it gonna stay still, cause it did. It stayed still, and I was all the way on the floor with the gas pedal. So that part of it worked. So now, man, we finna head back. I'm finna I got the draggy hooked up. We're gonna make us a test hit, man. We're gonna see what she doing. I know it's gonna be a little heat in the blower, so it ain't gonna run fast as it could run, but we're gonna see what it do, man. So let's do it. Checking in, y'all. Back from Lawless Street Car, man. I got R&B put all up. She covered back up. She ready to roll. Nice little shakedown, man. It wasn't the fastest she done been, but it's hot. It's a lot of heat from the blower. That's the downside of Roots blower, man. This car right here, when it hot and it pushing hot, it hot outside, and the blower already hot, it decreased the power a lot. Now when it cold, it really showed, boy. Hey, she'll get down. I done directly seen the difference. The DA, the altitude, all that stuff play a big part. And all cars for the most part, but this one right here, I see the bigger difference, man. Like, she run different. But what I'm doing right now is I'm finna take this battery out, man. I'm tired of jumping this. I'm tired of jumping this car off, man. I'm tired of jumping the car, so I'm finally finna put the battery charger to work that my fam DJ got me. I got a reason to now, so I like, shoot, let me go ahead and use this thing. I got a reason to put it to work. So I'm finna put this nag on the battery charge and see if it charge up. But I slick think it's time for a battery. Honestly, I really think it's time for a battery. It been in for a minute. I wouldn't even be mad if it needed a battery, cause it done did what it's supposed to do. Boy, I love this Milwaukee, boy. Milwaukee, everything. Man, I'm gonna write these people, man. Milwaukee needs to sponsor me, man. No lie. Y'all know I talk about Milwaukee like crazy. I love them. I talk about them, they don't even pay me, man. But they just that good. I just like them. They just that good, man. Y'all getting an impromptu battery removal for a 2007 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, aka the Monte C. Gonna keep that in there, connect it. Then you take the battery loose. Take the negative loose first, cause boy, you hit that kink. Y'all know what's gonna happen. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I think why I feel like this ain't a half inch. Well, it ain't. So I go get the right side wrench, 10 millimeter. Let me see. Hold on. We got one right here. Let me see. Let's see if I'm right. Nah, it ain't no 10. Ain't no 10. It's a 13. Let me see. Let me see. No, it ain't. What the? It's an oddball bolt there, man. It's a 3/8. 3/8 on here. It's different. Get this thing loose and gonna turn y'all back on. Hey, got that bad boy out. Boy, that joker there a little tricky getting that out. You gotta do some maneuvering. gotta do some maneuver. And it just gotta, I'm gonna show y'all, in case y'all know, it's just like the box Chevys and stuff. That little triangle hold down right there. That's all that hold the battery tight. That's how I hold the battery down right there. That's all it is. That's all it is, y'all. So I'm gonna lightly put everything back so I know where the bolt's at. Best thing for you to do, man. Put everything back where you got it. Then hand tight like that. But you won't get that battery up out of there. You gotta turn that joker vertical, up vertical. On this side, then flip it up out of there. Then do your little massage, and man, you'll get it up out of there. Here, come on out. Let me see. We just got to put these back. I had to get this out, man. I'm tired of jumping the car. Every time I move this joker, I gotta jump it off. I said, man, I'm tired of that. Then it was a half inch, man. I don't know what I was doing, man. I don't know, y'all. It was a half inch though to take them terminals off. So we got this going. I'm gonna hook this battery charger up that my fam DJ got. I'm gonna hook it up, try it out for the first time. Let the old Monte Carlo battery charge up. Hopefully it charge up. If it don't, I'm just gonna go buy another one. Say it's long overdue. And that's it, man. They're gonna wrap the day up, y'all. Like I said, good day, felt good today, man. I did a lot. I actually did a lot, man, that y'all didn't see today, man, cause I be teaching people firearm safety and stuff, man, how to properly handle firearms and stuff. Just awareness, situational awareness and stuff like that. I need to really get my instructor's permit. I really need to, but it just, only reason I don't, cause I won't have time, man. I like teaching people that, cause even it guys out there, man, that really don't know how to safely handle a firearm. I mean safely. Just cause a person own one don't mean they know what they doing. That's all I'm saying. It's a lot of people. I done seen that got them and don't know what they doing. I'm just looking at how they remove it off the table. When they turning around, with a barrel, do they got a barrel awareness or where they barrel point and stuff, man. So it's just different stuff. But I did that today. Like I said, I was teaching visually impaired lady with my for my mother-in-law support group, cause she got a visually impaired support group, cause y'all know my mother-in-law visually impaired, called Living Life Team Incorporated, and they do a lot of stuff, man. The group done grown a whole bunch. It's a non-profit organization, so I was teaching some of them, and I was doing that today. That took up a lot of time, so that's why I'm shooting in the evening right now, doing what I'm doing. So yeah, man, be a lot of stuff going on behind the scene that don't get put on camera, but you know, we finna, I think I got a little corrosion. I might need to wipe it off. But anyway, man, I'm finna put this battery on the charger. Hopefully it charges. If not, I just buy another one. I just put it in the vlog, man, something to do. But we got R&B all ready to go, man. We're gonna hit the track tomorrow. The plan is to take R&B and Dolo, long as my little brother can still go, or Cuzzo, which I think they still gonna ride. And it should be jumping tomorrow. Should be packed. So we're gonna take R&B and Dolo and all the tires. All the tire, man, cause people always want to jump on me when they ain't got my tires or I'm handicapped or something. People always want to try to roll in on. Not tomorrow. So I'm gonna take the slicks for Dolo. I definitely gotta try Dolo. So take a slick for Dolo. I need to go get some nitrous tomorrow. R&B, she ready to roll. Gonna try her on the radios for the first time. Not the radios, the slicks for the first time. And we gonna see what to it, man. We're gonna get that ticket. So that's it. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.